Bonjour, I'm Julia Grandperret. I'm 24-year-old and I live in Paris. I started photography when I was 17, when my dad gave me his first analog camera. And I never stopped using analog cameras and films. I guess the unexpected, the accidents and the mistakes are really important to me in the process of photography, especially today with all the technology and the digital progress. It really reassures me and makes me want to experiment even more. Even with my subjects, I think it really changes the whole relationship. The Lomogon lens was really smooth to handle and easy if you want to get spontaneous shots and if you want to go fast, like in a low light situation like today, for example. The aperture system is really adapted because it allows you to go straight from the 2.5 to the 11. So you can easily play with the aperture and with the shutter speed. So I really enjoyed that. And also the design of it, the vintage and the golden design of the lens is really cool, as well as the wideness of the angle. It really gives you a rich photographic composition with a lot of details, but it doesn't deform your image, and that's really important.